I just showed you how schema mirroring works in Magentrix. Now let me show you how data mirroring looks in Magentrix. So let's go back to Salesforce. On my lead object, I'm going to pick Jeff. Let's take a look at Jeff's detail. He's the SVP of procurement. Let's go to Magentrix. Now let's find the same record. All right, this is Jeff here in Magentrix. Now we are replicating everything from Salesforce down to the ID of the record into Magentrix. So I'm going to edit Jeff's record here. I'm going to remove the SVP of procurement and I'm going to save. Let's go back to Salesforce. Let's reload the record. As you can see, the change was instantaneous. So anytime we make a change from Magentrix to Salesforce, we first send the record to Salesforce. We save it. We make sure that there are no errors. And once it's saved, we bring the same record back over to Magentrix and we show it to the user, all in a matter of seconds. Now let's make the same change back in Salesforce. So I'm going to click on edit here and put SVP of procurement back. And I'm going to save. Just going to give it a few seconds to sync back to Magentrix. Going back to Magentrix is going to take a few seconds. We're doing the changes on batches in Magentrix. There we go. The title is back. So we're doing the changes from Salesforce to Magentrix in batches. There is a smart job running in the background that checks every 15 minutes to see if there are any changes in Salesforce. And if there is, it will bring it back into Magentrix. Now this can be changed from 15 minutes to down to 0 minutes. And if the change in volume is very high, we actually drop the sync time from 15 minutes all the way down to 1 minute automatically.